assuming power of 5, and Blizzrock, with the powers of the Hate Frost, race to obtain my mighty spell. They battle each other in their summoned arms on their way to the castle, leaving destruction in their wake. Go forth before my spells are uttered, my undead beasts. Gather your courage, travelers, and choose thy fate. Good morrow, travelers. I am Merlyn, wizard of the realm. I have been cursed. The Lady of the Lake's beauty bewitched me, and as I drew close to her shores, she transformed me into the enchanted oak. I entreat thee to aid our peaceful kingdom. Perhaps the dark and greedy powers of fire and ice assemble their opposing arms. In my arms, to obtain the unguarded spell. Oh, veterans, your quest has already begun. While the warlocks get to the